Peace, Prophet people. This is Absolute from the Absolute Boss Collective. And I'm here to give you an update on my January returns for the year 2021. Did I make more than I made in December? Did I make less? How did it turn out? What percent did I return on my money? All this and more will come in the following video. But before we get into that, I have to go over the preliminaries. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. This is my personal journey of my trading, and I'm sharing it with all of you so you can get to where I am. We can work together. Each one teach one. That's what it's all about. So feel free to comment or subscribe. I'm also available for one-on-one coaching. With my sniper style of trading, I can share my techniques with you. However, it has to be catered to your particular risk tolerance and your particular needs. So holler at me. Let me know what your issues are. Let me know what you want to learn how to do. And let's see if we can help each other out. Okay? Also, consider supporting the mission. I got my little Patreon popping. The links are down below. Along with, if you want to get some free stocks, I have a link for Webull. You put $100 in, they give you 4 free stocks. That's all located down below. Okay? Now, one other thing I wanted to share with y'all before we get into my performance is a quote. So this quote goes, "A Muslim is nothing. He, she is nothing. He, she can achieve nothing, fulfill nothing without working. If you are poor, work. If you are rich, continue working. If you are burdened with seemingly unfair responsibilities, work. If you are happy, keep right on working. Idleness gives room for doubt and fears. If disappointment comes, work. If your health is threatened, work. When faith is shaken, work. When dreams are shattered and hope seems dead, work. Work as if you are in peril. No matter what ails you, work. Work faithfully. Work with faith. Work for your mas. Work for your own. Work is the greatest remedy for mental and physical afflictions. And that comes from the most honorable Elijah Muhammad. Deep quote, and it kind of speaks to what needs to be done as a day trader. You have to work. You have to do your due diligence. You have to do your homework. You have to execute on your trades. You have to manage your trades properly. You have to manage your emotions properly. You know what I'm saying? The biggest emotions that play a part in this game is fear and greed. Okay? So if you don't have that under control or that gets out of hand, you know what I'm saying? It can affect your performance. So you have to work on yourself. Okay? And that's why I thought it was important to share that quote with y'all today as we go into January. Okay? I don't remember the exact figure. I know I made just over 2,000 in December. So let's get right into it. How did I perform in January? Okay? Without further ado, okay, for the month of January, I made a grand total of $3,141.97. Okay, could average that out to $785.49 a week, $165 a day. There were 19 trading days in the month of January because we had the market was closed for Martin Luther King birthday. Okay, my return percent was 4.24%. Okay, this is about 3 times, just over 3 times the savings rate. Okay, I placed a total of 151 trades. 132 of those trades were winners. I had 19 losers. 19 times your boy just didn't do it, man. I fell short. However, that is a 87.41% win rate. That's like pretty much 8 times out of every 10 trades I was right. Okay. My best trading day was this past Friday, the 29th, with $243.54. My worst day, Wednesday the 20th, minus close, deep red, $154.39. Okay. Now, if you average out all of those trades, it's an average of $23.80 per winning trade. Okay. Which is not too bad. I'm very pleased with that performance. We are in the right direction. I know it's something like 700 or something more than I made in December. Okay. And as you can see, I had 19 losses, you know, damn, and I think about it, that's like one loss a day. But, obviously, you know, there were big winners, there were small trades. That's what I should do in the next videos. Hit y'all with that. What was my biggest trade and my lowest trade? Okay, we'll do that next month. Anyway, this is what I do. This is my lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? And I wanted to come back and let you guys know how I performed so you can see the growth. And, you know, we had a lot of issues that took place this month. You can check out my other video. I did a video on the GameStop and Robinhood situation. You could check that out. This past week, we had earnings from Microsoft, Starbucks, AMD, Apple, Tesla, and Facebook. I think most of them were uneventful for the most part, with the exception of Microsoft. I know Microsoft was pretty strong after the others I didn't watch. I thought about trading some of these earnings plays. However, it was a very bad week. We lost about 4%, I think, on the S&P. So it was a down week. That's not really a time to start jumping into new trades, because we don't know what's going to happen. We don't know if the market is going to stabilize and resume the uptrend or break down from this point. We got a lot of stuff going on right now. Biden is, you know, running around. I haven't really heard much about the stimulus. They're supposed to be discussing that this week. I think I seen something about it possibly being paid out in February or March. We'll see how that goes. These earnings, I don't know. I was expecting a pop last week. I could tell you, honestly, I was expecting us to pop on some of those tech earnings, and that did not happen. So we don't know. Is anybody guess at this point? But currently, the Dow is down like 2% right now. You know, it's just after 9 o'clock Sunday evening, so we could see it could all turn around by the time market opens. It could get worse. It could get bloody. We're certainly now looking like we're heading to a downtrend at this point. That's what it's looking like. Things change at any given, at the drop of a hat in this market, man. You have to be prepared. So prepare yourself before you go into any kind of trades or whatever. Recognize and understand that the market is either going to go up or down or sideways. We're either going to be in a bearish trend, bearish meaning that it's going down, or bullish meaning that it's going up. Okay. We'll check it out. We'll see how it goes. I just wanted to get at y'all and let y'all know how I did. Your boy did $3,141 in a month. You know what I'm saying? And you can learn how to do this too. Okay. If you want a second stream of income, if you want to improve on your trading, or if you just want to talk to somebody and bounce ideas off of somebody, you know what I'm saying? Leave a comment below. You know what I'm saying? Hit me over on Patreon. Let's hook up. Let's, you know, schedule yourself a phone consultation, and let's get this popping. All right? It's your boy, Absolute, over at the Absolute Boss Collective. Come join us. Peace.